Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create an envelope in Microsoft Word. So if you want to go ahead and create a printout for an envelope and you have it inserted into your printer, I'm going to show you guys how to type in the text that's going to go get printed to your envelope. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Mailings tab up at the top and select the Envelopes button. Hover over it, it says Create Envelopes. Go ahead and insert the delivery address. And then you can put in a return address as well in here. Make sure that the envelope is loaded before printing and select the print button, and it gives you a little preview of how to orient it. Envelope options up here as well, and then printing options, it will tell you to have it face up, and it tells you the direction to face it. So from the default, it looks like you're going to have the postage facing inward towards the printer, and you're going to insert it in that direction facing up or to the left, I guess, and up, and you can feed from different trays perhaps if your printer has more than one tray, and you would select OK, and then you would select print, and that's pretty much it. Again, make sure your printer is hooked up and connected, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.